Welcome. Today we're going to talk about a new feature in the January 2017 release of iAPPS v5.4. This feature allows us to target various aspects of user data in order to give them more relevant content. So in the past, we've had multiple ways to do this. We've had audience lists that we could populate through our flows or through dynamic criteria of their attributes and etc. With this release, we've added the ability to target them based on geolocation data. So we're able to use their IP addresses to detect the general geographic areas that they're coming from, and we can do things like target content to a specific country or to a specific state, or even to a radius around a specific city. Additionally, we have the ability to use parameters that are fed in through specially crafted query strings on the URLs. This would allow us to handle scenarios such as partner channel referring URLs or ad campaigns or et cetera, to let us know how that user got referred to us and follow through with providing them content crafted to what we now know about how they got to us. So I'm going to start with logging in to my iAPPS Marketeer instance. Once I log into Marketeer, I'm going to go ahead and go to my Manage Audience Lists. Then my audience lists, I'm now going to see when I edit this list that I set up previously, I'm going to see this new session-based list capability. As it says here in the description, this is going to allow me to do real-time targeting. So unlike some of the prior options where certain actions put them into lists and then we did it, we now, just because of attributes of their session, we know about them immediately and can do this in real time. So we'll see for this particular list that I'm targeting all users that are coming in from the state of Massachusetts. Now, when I add a geo filter, I can do just country, so I could target anybody within the United States or any other number of countries. I can target them, as we have set up in this example, to a particular state, or if I wanted to, I could even say, within a 90-mile radius of Boston. For instance, if I had something that was city local that I wanted to share with them. So this provides us a tremendous amount of flexibility to really target our content to a specific geographic area. Now, in addition to this, we'll get into a demo with it in a moment, but in addition to that, I also have the ability to do some referring string-based information. So I'll grab this one that I also set up earlier, which this is a channel that we set up for any traffic that's referred from a partner. So we give that partner a specifically crafted URL that they refer people through, and then we know that's how they got here. And maybe we have a special promo or special content because we now know more about that user. So we'll be able to use this one as well. Now, once we have these audience lists set up like this, nice, easy to do, we're able to just jump on over to our site editor. I have a particular page that I've set up here. This mission page has, a nice, easy text box for demo purposes that I'm able to put some content in. I'm going to go ahead and go up to my targeted content, manage my page variants. And we'll see here that those two, the Geo Massachusetts as well as the partner ref, I've already configured for audience targeting. Let me go ahead and edit that. And we'll see that I've simply added above our placeholder text here, I've simply added a special service offering for local customers in Mass. This content will show up for anybody that gets detected as being in the state of Massachusetts. Now, very similar for partner ref, I just have to click it, I hit edit, and we'll see again above our placeholder text that we have this thank you for doing business with our partner. Now, in the real world, we're going to probably target much more sophisticated content, but I think this gets the concept across fairly well. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, make sure that I've published my page in this state. And once this comes back, we can go ahead and set up a test to verify that everything's working as expected. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out so that my admin controls are not interfering with me. And I'm going to go right back to commerce. Now I can put on our debug info just to see. As we see here, I'm being recorded as coming in from Woburn, Massachusetts. So since I am in the state of Massachusetts, we should see, as expected, when we go over to the missions page, that we get our Massachusetts specific messaging. So exactly as expected here, special service offering for local customers in Mass. Now we've had the ability to target that content, and we're seeing it come through exactly as expected. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back, and I'm going to craft my URL such that my referring is partner. That's now put that data into my session, and if I click over to mission again, we're going to see thank you for doing business with our partner. So just through some very simple manipulation here of our audience targeting, we are able to see different results. Now, one thing that you may have noticed here is that there's conflicting rules. So right now I'm both on the partner page and I'm also coming from the state of Massachusetts. So how did the system decide what to do? In order to show you that, I'm going to go ahead and log back over to the admin here, jump into Marketeer, and go back to my contacts list management. And we have a new assign priority button at the top here. So what this is going to do is allow me to move around my priority so that if there is a conflict, I'm able to choose which one I want to take precedent, because obviously we can't do all of them at the same time. Okay, hopefully this provides some clarity for the new functionality. We believe that this is going to give you a lot of flexibility and control over what your users are seeing and allow you to give more meaningful content. Thank you.